Have you ever wondered how AI can make you rich in 2024? Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a distant concept in science fiction. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming the world as we know it. From shaping the way businesses operate to catalyzing breakthroughs in healthcare, AI's influence is pervasive and profound. In the past few years, we've witnessed AI evolve from a novelty to a necessity. This evolution is not slowing down, rather it's set to accelerate. Industry experts predict that the AI market will grow exponentially in the years to come, presenting a wealth of opportunities for those ready to seize them. AI's potential is vast and varied. It spans across industries, borders, and business models. Whether it's optimizing operations, creating new products, or unlocking novel revenue streams, AI holds the power to transform ideas into wealth. So, if you're interested in leveraging this powerful tool, stick around. To harness the potential of AI, you first need to understand what it is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. But it's not all about robots taking over the world. Rather, it's about machines being able to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer to think and learn like a human, but at a much faster and more efficient pace. It's like giving the computer a mind of its own, but a mind that's focused on the task it's been programmed to do. AI can be found in a myriad of applications, from the recommendation engines on your favorite streaming services to the voice assistants in your smartphones. It's even used in sectors you might not immediately think of, such as healthcare, where AI is used to predict patient outcomes and recommend treatments. In the financial sector, AI is used to detect fraudulent activities and make stock market predictions. In the retail industry, AI is used to predict customer behavior and personalize shopping experiences. Even in the field of agriculture, AI is used to optimize farming techniques and predict crop yields. AI is also the driving force behind autonomous vehicles, using complex algorithms to navigate, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions that ensure safety on the roads. What makes AI truly remarkable is its ability to continuously learn and improve. It's not just about programming a machine to perform a task, it's about the machine learning from its experiences, refining its approach, and becoming better and more efficient at the task. As you can see, AI is not a futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's revolutionizing the way we live and work. It's transforming industries, creating opportunities, and shaping our future. Now that you have a basic understanding of AI, let's delve into how you can use it to your advantage. The first step to getting rich with AI is identifying the right opportunities. Just as a gold prospector scans the terrain for promising signs, you too must cultivate a discerning eye for opportunities in the AI landscape. It's not enough to merely recognize that AI is a powerful force, you need to understand where and in what forms it can be harnessed for maximum impact. Begin by identifying sectors and businesses that stand to benefit from AI. Look at industries grappling with vast amounts of data, or complex problems that require rapid, accurate decision-making. Healthcare, finance, retail, logistics, these are just a few sectors where AI can make a substantial difference. It's not just about replacing human effort, but enhancing it, making processes more efficient, more precise, more personalized. Now let's talk about market research. It might sound tedious, but the devil is indeed in the details. Understanding the unique needs, pain points, and aspirations of your target market can help you spot potential applications of AI that others might overlook. Are there gaps in the market that AI could fill? Are there processes that could be streamlined, tasks that could be automated, experiences that could be improved? Understanding trends is equally crucial. The world of AI is ever evolving, with new technologies emerging and old ones being refined or discarded. Staying abreast of these trends can help you anticipate where the opportunities will lie in the future. Are there emerging technologies that could disrupt existing industries? Are there societal or economic trends that could create new needs for AI solutions? And finally, don't forget to think about the practicalities. Is there a clear path to monetization? Is the market ready for your AI solution? Or will it require a significant shift in mindset or behavior? Remember, the goal is to find a space where AI can add value. It's not about jumping on the latest trend or chasing the biggest profits. It's about finding those golden opportunities where AI can truly make a difference, and where your efforts and investments can yield rich rewards. Once you've identified the opportunities, it's time to invest. Now, investing in AI is not a one-size-fits-all venture. There are multiple avenues you can explore, each with its own potential returns and risks. First, let's talk about stocks. Many of the world's leading tech companies are heavily invested in AI. By purchasing their stocks, you're indirectly investing in AI. This approach offers the advantage of stability, as these companies are typically well established. But remember, stock prices can fluctuate, and the returns may not be as high as with other investment avenues. Then, there are AI startups. This is where things get exciting. Investing in a fledgling AI company can potentially yield high returns if the startup takes off. However, it's essential to remember that startups carry a high level of risk. Many fail within the first 5 years. Thorough research and due diligence are crucial before investing in any startup. Another option is to develop your own AI technology. This could mean starting your own company or creating an AI product as an individual or a team. While this route can be incredibly rewarding, it also requires substantial technical knowledge, time, and financial resources. And like any business venture, it carries a significant risk. Lastly, there's the option of investing in AI-focused funds. These are investment funds that specifically target AI companies. This approach allows you to diversify your investment across multiple AI ventures, reducing the risk compared to investing in a single company. So as you can see, there are various ways to invest in AI. Each has its own potential for returns and associated risks. It's about finding the right fit for your investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing isn't about making a quick buck. It's a long-term game that requires patience, knowledge, and a well-thought-out strategy. Investing in AI can be lucrative, but like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. So, tread carefully, do your homework, and may your investments yield fruitful returns. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and so should you. Just as the landscape of artificial intelligence is dynamic and ever-changing, your understanding and approach to it should be as well. Regardless of your current level of AI expertise, there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more room for growth. In this fast-paced world of AI, staying updated is not merely an option, but a necessity. The AI industry is a hotbed of innovation, with new technologies, techniques, and applications emerging at a blistering pace. These innovations could open up new opportunities and completely transform existing ones. To keep up with this rapid pace of change, you need to constantly learn and adapt. So, how do you do that? You immerse yourself in the world of AI. Read AI-focused blogs, articles, and white papers. Follow AI thought leaders and influencers on social media. Join AI-focused forums and communities where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. Attend AI conferences and seminars, enroll in AI courses or webinars, listen to AI podcasts and watch AI webinars. Remember, learning is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, and the same goes for adaptation. As the AI landscape changes, your strategies and approaches should change as well. If a certain approach doesn't work, don't be afraid to change it. Experiment with different strategies. Learn from your mistakes and successes. Adapt and evolve. It's also important to remember that learning and adaptation are not just about keeping up with the latest developments. They're also about anticipating future trends. By staying ahead of the curve, you can position yourself to take advantage of emerging opportunities before others do. And finally, don't be intimidated by the complexity of AI. Yes, it's complex, but it's also fascinating and full of potential. With the right mindset and approach, you can navigate the AI landscape with confidence and success. The key to success in AI is continuous learning and adaptation. So, how can AI make you rich in 2024? Well, we've navigated the labyrinth of artificial intelligence together, unfolding its immense power and potential in this very year. We've discussed how crucial it is to grasp the fundamentals of AI, to see beyond the complex algorithms and understand its core principles. We've explored the art of identifying opportunities, of looking for those hidden gems in the vast landscape of AI innovation. We've highlighted the importance of making smart, informed investments in AI, of putting your money where the future is. But the journey doesn't end there. We've underscored the significance of continuous learning and adaptation. Just as AI evolves, so too must we. With every new development, every fresh breakthrough, we must be ready to learn, adapt, and grow. Remember, the journey to wealth with AI is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, diligence, and a willingness to learn. Start today and who knows, you could be the next AI millionaire.